Is your child turning to still not speaking? How about your friends, family? What do they say? They say they will speak, child will take time and speak. But deep inside, how do you feel? If you know, is it normal? Do you question yourself? Today's video, we are going to find out, uncover those 8 signs which tell us that yes, there's a speech delay. And there are few myths that we can bust. And at the comfort of our house, we can support our child to develop speech at the comfort of our house. In this video, I'll be sharing few of my personal experiences when it comes to speech delay or speech development for a child, and some of the ideas which I can suggest as my experience of 15 years can help you out to sail this journey of parenthood smoothly. So let's find out. First, let's understand what is speech. Speech is any kind of sound made by mouth using all the different parts of our mouth. It can be lips, gums, teeth, any sound. That is a speech. But in general, speech is little different from language that we will talk further in this video. Now, coming to this topic, let's find out what is speech and what are the different milestones a child has to achieve by the age of 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and after 2. Now, in the section 2, that is the real life stories, I'll be telling you two different my own experiences when I realized child has got speech delay or not. There was a child in my preschool. That child was 2 plus, almost 2.9. That was a boy. And the child was not speaking anything, nothing. He was just jumping, good eye contact, and always talking and trying to talk. He was like gibberish, not able to talk anything. Then I realized, okay, I've got some issue. I thought so. But when I asked my mentor, my doctors, when I spoke to them, they said, no, it is not the speech delay. Lack of socializing has caused this. So just talk to the child more, the child will develop. Within 3 to 4 months, the child developed speech very good. Very good speech was developed. Now, coming to the second child, that's my own child. Okay, so the child, I know my second son, he was very talkative and it was 3 plus. Now I put him for nursery. That is like after playgroup, the child is going to nursery. Here, what happened is when he entered the school, the detachment period was there. I'm talking about a different school, preschool. So he has taken admission there. He is going there. After 20 days, the child teacher says, I feel your child is not talking. So maybe from Mumbai, few people are coming for assessment. Do you want to refer your child? I said, no, I know my child because I've seen the child. He talks. It is only detachment period. So sometimes we assume that child is not speaking in front of people, new people, strangers. The child is having a speech issue. No. So I said, just give him three more months time. That's 1 quarter, and you analyze and then you tell me. Within 3 months, my child, was talking so much, and at the end of that academic year, when I asked the teacher, how is he? She's like, not able to control his talks. He talks so much. That was only the detachment period. The child was keeping silent. So teacher assumed the child is not speaking. We need to interfere and intervene and try बात कर लो देखो क्या होता है बात क्यों नहीं करता है and all that they thought. I said no, that's not the issue. And finally, these are two different scenarios where I assumed and where the teacher assumed. So every time we need to understand there might be instances or situations we gauge, but the for us as an adult, we need to take time to understand. Now, coming to the signs, 8 signs. By the age of, if the child is not able to do babbling sound, that's bab, 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 pa, 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 mama. These are called babbling sounds, lip sync. Trying to talk that this mouth, not tongue, not using tongue. I am talking only with the lips and lip sync, using the upper jaw, lower jaw. So that time we need to intervene and maybe we can refer to a speech therapist. By the age of 18 months, child has to speak 5 to 20 words like mama, bua, papa, bua, gi, baba, ni. These are the sounds the child will make from the mouth by the age of 18 months. And by the age of 20 to 24 months, the child has to speak 50 words. That is making two-word phrases. Ni, big, ni, what, water, big, like these. Now, earlier when we were discussing the child milestones, I told the child has to speak two-word phrases by the age of 2 years. If the child is not doing that, that is a delay in speech. The child is not waving hand, not listening to the instruction like come here, take this, keep it. Like eye contact is not there. The child is not able to understand what I'm trying to tell by my facial expression when I'm giving the thing and telling the child, do this, ye kar lo, wo karo, rakho isko, yahan rakho, and all that. The child is not able to do that. That is also a speech delay. To make it very clear, speech is sounds and language is communication, understanding, and conversation. That is language. Now, some of the parents have confusion with speech and language. So I'll just make this point very clear. Speech is making a sound with the mouth. It can be anything, babbling sound, lip sync sound, kak kak, kako, kiki, all that. But language is understanding a speech. Like for example, milk. It can be spoken in different languages like dood, halo, palo, all that. So that is a language. But here, what the child has to understand is the speak, to speak the word. If the child is able to say water, not water, so there is a speech delay. T is missing. So the child is understanding the language, but the child is not able to speak properly. So there is a muscle development delay here. So we will be giving exercises for muscle development. T, t. Like earlier days, we had the games and all kids used to play on the streets and all, brrr, making that sound. That's a development. But nowadays kids don't do that. So there is a delay in that also. So lack of exercises given to the mouth also hampers in the development of speech. So this is one thing. And again, if I say a thing, for example, I say something, I ask a question. Can I do this for you? Or can you give me this? The child is again repeating it. Can you do this to me? Or can I do this? So child is not able to understand that I have asked a question. प्रश्न के लिए प्रश्न is a delay. So for any question, if the child is not able to answer properly and instead is wondering, the delay in language. So it is not speech delay, it is language delay. The child is not able to understand what I'm telling. I'm on angry face. I'm scolding him or I'm patting him. I'm appreciating him. All these are language delay. That is again the reason is lack of social interaction. Make it very clear. Speech is sounds and language is communication, understanding, and conversation. That is language. Now, as in modern parents, because they interact, they watch the social media, they are talking to so many people, educated and half the way educated. They don't have full knowledge about it. So people, everyone is giving their opinion. So there are few myths that I want to burst. Like for example, the first myth is boys delay in speaking. See, that is when we do our MTT Montessori teachers training and all that, it is always said that boys are physically more active, girls are socially more active. So girls talk more, boys do all that physical activities, jumping, gymming and all that. But that is not always the case, not always the case. If the child boy is 3 plus and still is not able to blabber or babber anything, no lip sync, then there is a delay. We can't keep saying that because it's a boy, so there is a delay. No, that cannot happen. In today's modern world, many of the parents feel that if you switch on the TV, gadgets are on, or any touch screen, or any of the what is this, iPads or tablets are on, the child will grasp new words, vocabulary from that, and the child will become expert in any language, Hindi, English, or any other language. But that's not the fact. Language, speech is developed by human interaction. When I speak to you, when you speak to me, when a person is speaking, it can be any actually living animal. If talking to a dog also, that will improve, but the dog will not respond the way humans respond, right? So for a child, dog is a new animal. But here we are talking about human beings. Human beings, they interact, they talk. When I scold someone, they get depressed. When I appreciate someone, they're happy, they're in jovial mood. Those expressions are also read by the child. So that is also speech development. The child will be able to understand the, oh, my father is telling me that, oh, my mother is telling me that, my mother is talking to my brother this way, so my brother reacted this way. So this is also the observation. From the observation, the child is understanding the speech, and the child will be able to talk forever. There's a very, very interesting myth that multilingual houses, child creates confusion. I mean, child gets confused with languages and there's a speech delay. No. For your surprise, the child can learn 8 languages up to the age of 12. Yes, 8 different languages. It can be Hindi, English, Marathi, Gujarati, Spanish, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, any other language, any languages, 8 languages. Let's go and find the solution for a problem. And if you really like this video, you think anywhere you can relate to, or you could see that I was talking something sensible which actually touched you, where you resonated with my point of views and all, please do comment and thank. Let's